Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we have continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that Vechain, after giving us the massive crash on the 10th of June, giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01319 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first peaked in that first wave to the upside, saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. Then afterwards we saw a very nice reaction of the target area and started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of a wave 3, in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas that I gave you, basing it on the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.01967 mark. And after putting in place the high for that third wave to the upside, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a wave 4, where we saw this a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 4, though we didn't quite fully maximize minimum target areas highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And as a result of this, there are two possible scenarios that you can expect on the Vechain chart. And the first one is that since we saw a touch into the target area over here, there are chances that this could be the low for that fourth wave to the lower side, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And if that is the case, then giving you minimum target areas for the fifth wave to the upper side using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low to the high of that wave 3, I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.2183 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that fifth wave to the upside to do. And once that wave 5 is complete, then we can name this 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger Elliott wave count 1. The alternative scenario is that we might still see one more leg down in the formation of this wave 4, and that would be suggesting that whatever we can see on the charts is an ABC corrective structure that is in formation, terming that as a wave A, then a wave B, and we can expect one more leg down in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing our minimum target area for the fourth wave before we can start our impulsive move in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. Those are the two possible scenarios, and I think we need to keep our eyes on a break above the wave 1 high, because a break above that would be suggesting that we are not going to see that one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, and Vechain is going to continue heading further up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas and also get above resistance at around the $0.2 mark. So continue watching for a break above the $0.2 mark also, and maybe a successful retest on the lower time frames before we can fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.21 mark. Then once that is done and we have a high in place for that wave 5, then from that point we can expect a bit of a breakdown in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that should play out in an ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing minimum target areas for the second wave, before we can start gearing up in another impulsive move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.